It's a reseal.
Yeah, definitely. You can see like it's like literally just stuck to the inside of it.
And then these literally just let the cold air out without letting water in.
So as you can see, looking a lot better. So I am actually going to replace the lenses on this, but as you can see, this side's actually come out a lot better. This side still has condensation, and that will probably be there for a while. What Jared was saying is, it is likely that what's causing it is probably the actual seals all around or even underneath. So at some point I am going to be taking the headlights apart and replacing the actual lenses. It looks so much better now, like look at that. Oh, I am right. There he is. Sick. Oh my god. Ooh, that's a new BRD. If you know, you know. They're gonna start closing this, everyone's gonna get out. Damn, I haven't been back here in probably since I was with you last, I think.
Okay.
Oh damn, that's one way to park.
I think you mentioned it before, I've never said y'all.
Damn. Very, very cool. Damn. Look at this thing. That is so cool. Oh yeah, I bet. With that body kit too. Oh, he's got what's the Evo wheels? Damn. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, look at this. That's a sick blog. Subaru.co.jp. Oh, that is so good. So custom rocker cover. What else? Oh, you also got the new manifold in.
It's just sitting there, yeah.
Yeah, that's sick. What else have you done since it's been parked?
Everything's
You got a
inside.
Mishi.
Cooler, rad, cam, lines, rocker, EGR delete.
Yeah, this thing's gonna be hectic when it's done. Got a little like parts area here. I don't know if that's gonna fit in the box. Hey, just don't close it, I guess.
Just go
It'll just go there.
Okay.
And keep the sticker there. Here it goes. So? Aw. That was a cool thing. The rails. Oh, you know, I actually see that. It had like 100.
Yeah, you pull into it.
Pull
Pulling to here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this one here? Oh, is that?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, different wheels. Oh my god.
Nah, not a shot.
I mean, anything's possible.
I
Just
could
wouldn't,
fucking fit a pod straight onto it too.
it just wouldn't flow very nicely at all.
At all.
It's not a good
Not
idea.
even a little bit. I always take a photo of it.
Yeah.
Next to me on purpose.
So meanwhile, at lunch, get this bloke's, damn, he's on a cheat day today.
No diet for a week, bro.
Oh man.
Dirty Bob week.
How could this happen to me? So today's been a big day and I'm going to end it off with a Macca's run because I've had a big night out. I've actually went out to go grab drinks and now I'm about to go and eat and then go chill. And then I'll be editing this video as soon as I get home. Anyway, see you guys when I get in. Some people like a Yankee with a brim or a Yankee without a brim. This boy has a Yankee without a brim. Bruh, I'm digging the Yankee with no brim. We got the light. So as you've seen, it has been a hectic couple of days. We got a lot of stuff done on the skyline. I went out and chilled at Glenny for the first time in a long time. And we also got to see the Evo progress. So it's been big and there's so much more to come. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.